Hello folks, let's start our today's session. Today we are going to learn how to develop a simple area chart. Let's drag order date to columns, change it to continuous month and year, then drag sales to rows, again drag sales to rows, make a dual axis, then click on one of the pane and synchronize the axis. Change from automatic line graph to an area chart and you have a beautiful area chart in front of you. It's quite easy to develop and it looks clean. Now I'll teach you how to develop without dragging to the columns and rows the way I taught you how to develop line and bar graphs. So it's the same process. Click on order date, press control, click on sales, and you have area chart available here. Click one of them, click on months, and you have an area chart available here. Even if you want to do dual axis, you can just drag sales over here, create a dual axis chart, synchronize the axis, and convert one of the area chart to a line graph. So you have a beautiful line graph available, line graph over an area chart available. Just hide the headers and you have a beautiful area chart in front of you. Next, we'll learn in the next session. Have a nice day.